Kunal, I WhatsApp video called and he just refused to answer my call because he knew that I was going to look like this.
The new addition to Chori 2 is Soha, who is playing the character of Dasi. She is the daughter of the tribe. So you can imagine that a tribe which kills its daughters has kept its daughter alive. So you can imagine how terrific and how evil this character is.
I've really had to get out of my comfort zone, from makeup, hair or no hair in certain looks, to the values that this character lives by, to the accent.
बाहर की छोरियां प्रधान जी के शक्ति के सामने टिक ना पावे थी.
It is completely alien to me. Not one thing was comfortable for me. Not one thing was familiar for me. From the way she sounds, from the way she walks, from the way she behaves, to her whole belief system. Just the fact that I had to completely forget myself was a challenge. Before the first day of shoot, especially when you're playing a character that is prosthetic heavy, you need to have a face mask made. So they said, please come in, it's going to take an hour or two. We're going to mold your face and, and then we'll work on it and we'll create some pieces for the prosthetics. Putting the prosthetics on is time consuming and you have to be patient, and it takes a lot of time to put them on and to take them off, from everything to the ball cap to the prosthetics. They did it in a way that I really was very, very comfortable.
From day one, it's been refreshing to have somebody who's so energetic and who's so in love with the film. Like, she saw Chori 1 and she absolutely loved it, and she's come on set with that same love. I've had a real blast shooting with her.
It's nice, it's an intense climax scene between the protagonist and the antagonist, and really it's a clash of two different ways of thinking, and literally my world and my way of thinking is crumbling before my eyes. So I think it's very metaphorical and it's very literal at the same time.
It's a good blend of royalty being evil, and that Soha does naturally, and I think it is a role that will remain etched in people's minds forever.
The audience would be left with a sense of relief when you get an escape from this world. A sense of incomplete triumph because the struggle continues. It is far from over, but there's hope.